Okay, Sam, as you can see, we got a flash flood rain here in Excelsior Springs, and Sam slipped on the hill and cut himself. Nice one, Sam. And he fell down holding my camera too.
Yeah.
Nice.
That looks like.
Yeah, this used to be just like a little creek, and it's like freaking kayaking river now. That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Wow. Holy. Where'd they go? Oh, there goes the log. Whoa.
Don't jump.
I really want to get in there with a kayak.
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
We could look for your body in St. Louis.
No kidding. Well, don't take a... You can't go very far down that road because they have it closed off.
Oh no.
Yeah, just take a... Yeah, take a right and then you can go take the detour.
Okay.
Yep.
Be careful.
Yep. I just scratched my phone some more on this stupid thingy. Is it hurting yet, Sam? Alright, well, you go run to the house, Sam, and clean that off. And then you're gonna, I don't know what you're gonna wrap it in because we don't have any first aid at the house. Okay, that's enough.